Yo, in 19 reps, you might need facts. You never go wrong with a Mike D rap. It's funny how these little niggas palm these rats. Soon as a real G get his ID snatched, your mind regrets, your bride eats sack. I'm Mike D, but I got the John B. Mac. That might be why that 45 reflex. And my shooters is able to recline feet back. Punks up to jump by advisory track. Slumped up a chunk for that nonsense rap. You out of line for stepping to a savior. So may the odds be ever in your favor. This hunger, definitely not a gamer. Do you define definition of a gangster? No, you can't afford what the pain costs. Your name hard, hit your jaw with a chainsaw. So tell your goons hit the floor when the thing draw. Before you find a tombstone with his name on. Yeah, you know how I like to kick shit off in a full minute, let my sis get off.